Hello students, this is Asma Babwani and I teach in Modern English High School, and today I am going to explain you Social Science of Grade 6 Chapter 9, The Earth Our Habitat. Let's start the chapter. Wherever we live, that place is our village and home. All this is on top of what? Such question arises in all of our minds. Answer is very simple, that my home and my village is on earth. Thus, earth is called our huge home, which is very huge, isn't it? So let's know about our huge village. You also want to know this, which is natural. You know that our earth is a member of solar family. Again, what is this solar family? Let me give you information regarding solar system. Solar system. Our solar system is the self-illuminated star of Mandakini galaxy, Milky Way. It is surrounded by many small and big stars. Earth is one such ball. All these are recognized as planets. Due to gravitational force of sun and gravitational force of the planet, all these planets rotate around the sun in a circular form. These planets do not have light of their own. They are illuminated by the light of the sun. These planets of solar system are of different sizes and forms. All these planets together make solar family or solar system. Thus, planets, satellites, small planets, comets, and meteors are included in our solar system. So, let's get acquainted with this solar system. At first, let's know the Sun as the key member of the solar system. Students, the solar system consists of the Sun and everything that orbits or travels around the Sun. This includes the 8 planets and their moons, dwarf planets, and countless asteroids, comets, and other small icy objects. Sun. We are familiar with the sun. Our daily work begins with the sunrise. Sun is the honored star. It is considered as the giver of life on earth. The sun is about 13 million times larger than earth. If you want to make a revolution around the sun, you sit in a plane running at a velocity of 1000 kilometers. It will take 107 years to complete one revolution. Gravitational force of sun is 28 times more than that of earth. Hence, the weight of a substance on earth weighs 1 kg on the earth. It would weigh 28 kg on the surface of sun. It is because of this gravitational force only that the planets are in their particular path and revolve on it. The earth is about 15 kilometers away from sun. It takes about quarter past 8 minutes for sunlight to reach the surface of earth. Students, the sun is a self-illuminated star of the Milky Way Mandakini galaxy. It is a vast luminous sphere of intense heat. In volume, it is about 13 lakh times larger than the earth. Its gravitational force is about 28 times more than that of the earth. It is about 15 crore kilometers away from the earth. Sun rays take only 8.25 minutes to reach the earth. It completes one full circle on its axis in 25 days. The surface of sun is always unstable. It includes several kilometers long igniting fire flares. The sun's core is made up of hydrogen gas. It produces light and heat from the action of hydrogen and helium in air, which we call energy. So the surface of sun is very hot. It is because of sun's energy that organisms have developed on earth. Thus, the sun is also known as the guardian of organisms. Students, the sun's surface always remains unsteady and restless. The luminous and many kilometers long flares of fire on the surface of the sun are called solar flares. There are many igniting solar flares which are many kilometers long and have huge volume and light. These are known as solar flares or solar prominences. The solar atmosphere is composed of hydrogen gas. Due to very high temperature, hydrogen is converted into helium which generates heat and light, which is called urja or solar energy. The solar energy reaches Earth in the form of sun rays. The sun provides light and heat to Earth. The entire living world thrives, entire living world depends only due to solar energy. That is why the sun is also known as the guardian of living organisms, or you can say giver of life on the earth. Now let us briefly introduce planets. There are total 8 planets in solar family, among which Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars are inner planets, while Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune are outer planets. The planets of Mars, Mercury, Jupiter, Venus, and Saturn can be seen with the naked eyes. Students, there are 8 planets in the solar system: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Of these, the Mars, Mercury, Jupiter, Venus, and Saturn can be seen by naked eyes, while Uranus and Neptune can be seen with a powerful telescope. All these planets revolve around the Sun in an elliptical orbit. All satellites of the solar system revolve around the planets. The Earth has one satellite, that is Moon. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and Mars have two or more satellites, while Mercury and Venus do not have any satellite. Many small asteroids are found in between Mars and Jupiter.